Picture this. The mood is right. The lights are low. You and your partner are having a great time. You make your move and then suddenly, a sharp pain shoots across your lower back. Suddenly you are not thinking about romance anymore. You are thinking about whether you need to call a doctor in the morning. Has this happened to you? Do you find yourself avoiding certain positions because you know your back will punish you for it the next day? Are you secretly taking a painkiller before date night just to survive the evening? Do you wake up the next morning feeling like you just wrestled a bear instead of having a good time with your partner? Why does this happen? Is it just because you crossed the magical age of 40 and your body warranty expired? Is it your mattress causing the problem? Is it because you skipped the gym last week? Or maybe you think this is just a normal part of getting older, and you have to accept it? What if I told you it is none of those things? What if I told you that the real reason your back hurts during intimacy has nothing to do with your age, and everything to do with how your body forgot to use its main engine? Today we are talking about the elephant in the bedroom. The thing millions of men deal with but absolutely nobody talks about with their buddies. We are going to break down exactly why your lower back gives out when it matters most. And more importantly, we are going to talk about how to fix it tonight. No medical dictionary required, no weird yoga poses, just straight talk about how to get your performance back and stop the pain. So let us answer those questions right now. Why does your back hurt during sex? To understand this, we need to look at how your body is built. Think of your body like a car. You have a massive, powerful engine, and you have shock absorbers. In your body, your hips and your glutes are the engine. They are big, strong muscles designed to create power and movement. Your lower back, on the other hand, is just a shock absorber. Its only job is to keep you stable. But here is the problem. Most men over 40 spend all day sitting. You sit in your car to go to work. You sit at your desk for 8 hours. You sit on the couch when you get home. Because you sit so much, your main engine goes to sleep. Your hips get stiff and locked up. They forget how to move. Now, fast forward to the bedroom. You need to move. You need to generate rhythm and power. But your hips are locked solid from sitting all day. So what does your body do? It panics and asks your lower back to do all the work. Your body forces the shock absorber to act like the engine. And your lower back hates this. It is not designed to bend and thrust over and over again. When you force your lower back to do the job of your hips, the muscles cramp up, the joints get crushed, and boom, you get that sharp, awful pain that ruins the moment. It is not your age. It is not your mattress. It is simply a mechanical error. You are moving from the wrong place. You are using your lower spine as a hinge, when you should be using your hips. Think about a rusty door hinge. If the main hinge is stuck, and you keep trying to force the door open, the wood around the hinge is going to crack. Your lower back is that cracking wood. If this is making sense to you, and you want to keep your body running like a classic muscle car instead of a rusty tractor, take a second to hit the subscribe button right now. On this channel we fix real problems for real men, so you can stay active, strong, and confident for years to come. Welcome to the team. Alright, now let us fix the problem. You know the cause, so what is the solution? How do we stop this from happening the next time the lights go down? I am going to give you 3 simple rules to follow. Rule number 1 is the pillow trick. This is the fastest fix you can use tonight. Remember how we said the pain comes from your lower back bending too much? We need to change the geometry of the bed. When you are on top, gravity is pushing your stomach down into the mattress, which creates a huge curve in your lower back. Every time you move, you crush that curve even more. To fix this, grab a firm pillow. Place it exactly under your stomach and hips. Not under your chest, and not under your knees. Right under your belt line. This simple pillow trick lifts your center up and instantly flattens your lower back. It takes the pressure off the joints immediately. Suddenly, your back is protected, and you can focus on the moment instead of bracing for pain. Rule number 2 is about finding your engine again. We need to wake up your hips. Before things get heavy, you need to remind your body how to move correctly. You do not need to do jumping jacks next to the bed. Just do a simple mental check. When you are moving, focus entirely on squeezing your glutes. The power should come from the back of your legs and your hips, not from throwing your chest and shoulders around. Imagine you are pushing your belt buckle forward using your leg power. Keep your stomach tight, like someone is about to toss a heavy ball at your belly. When your stomach is tight and your glutes are working, your lower back stays perfectly still. It becomes a stable bridge instead of a bending hinge. It takes a little practice, but once you feel the difference, you will never go back to the old way. Your partner will probably appreciate the better rhythm too. Rule number 3 is your daily maintenance. You cannot sit like a shrimp for 10 hours a day and expect to be an athlete in the bedroom at night. You have to undo the damage of sitting. Every single day, take 2 minutes to stretch the front of your hips. Stand up, take a big step forward with one leg, and drop your back knee toward the floor. Push your hips forward until you feel a deep stretch in the front of your leg. Hold that for 30 seconds on each side. Do it while you watch television or while your morning coffee is brewing. By opening up the front of your hips, you give your body the freedom to move correctly later that night. If your hips are open, your back does not have to compensate. To wrap this all up, I want you to remember one important truth. Experiencing pain during intimacy is incredibly common, but it is not a life sentence. You do not have to give up your sex life just because you have some gray hair and a desk job. You just need to be smarter about how you move. Stop asking your lower back to be the engine. Wake up your hips. Use a pillow to change your angle, keep your stomach tight, and start doing that 2-minute hip stretch every day. You are the captain of your own body. Take control of it. Try these adjustments tonight, and pay attention to how much better you feel. If you learned something valuable today, drop a comment below and let me know. Do not forget to like the video, share it with a buddy who might be too proud to ask for help, and I will see you in the next video. Stay strong.